Hey, I'm Julian from Urban Revolver. We're here at a busy intersection of Kensington Road and 14th Street. Just north of the Bow River. Hopefully I don't get splashed here. Here's a current. A couple people entertaining the thought of getting into a raft to float around. It's a house evacuated. All these houses with X's on the door saying that they've been safely evacuated. This is the Bow River. We're on the 14th Street Bridge. This is supposed to be a pathway. Obviously it's not passable. If one were to slip in this and get washed out there, that would be bad, bad news. A little bit of flooding north of Bow River, but the south of Bow River, on 14th Street, there's no flooding that can be seen. Oh, this is where Urban Revolver is, just up in the top left-hand corner, and we're good.